How to stop Instagram from posting on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the Account Center option you see there, and now under the Connected Experiences tab, go ahead and tap on the Sharing Across Profiles option you see there. Further, go ahead and select the Facebook account under the Share From tab, and now in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for your Instagram posts. Your Instagram post will not be posted to Facebook automatically. So, this was about how you can stop Instagram from posting on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.